Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's news analysis. I'm your host for today, Daniel. So today we are going to be looking at the judgment against the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. This case has been on ground for a while, and today was the final judgment given. So, and the final judgment was given based on a seven count charges against him. So we are going to be looking at those count charges today, but I would like us to watch the video of what happened in the court session before we continue.
The court will follow this above admonition of Jesus Christ in the above passage and show mercy to the convicts. In addition, the death penalty globally is now being frowned upon by the international community. Consequently, and in the interest of justice, I hereby sentence the convicts to life imprisonment for the said counts 1, 4, 5, and 6 instead of death sentence. Life is sacred to God. With respect to count 3, he is hereby sentenced to 20 years imprisonment without no option or fine. For count 7, he is sentenced to 5 years imprisonment without no option or fine. To extend the mercy, I hereby order that the sentence shall run concurrently.
The seven count charges against the IPOB leader Nnamdi Azikwe starts from 1. Leading the IPOB and broadcasting message about secretion on Biafra radio, and this happened between the year 2014 to 2015. That was the first count charge for leading the people and also broadcasting messages about departing or moving or standing alone as a country on Radio Biafra. Then number 2, broadcasting false and defamatory statements against the previous president, Major General Muhammad Buhari, which happened on the 28th April 2015. That was the second count charge. The third count charge was importing and concealing a radio transmitter in Anambra State, which happened between the month of March to April 2015. It happened, he imported a radio transmitter and he was using it to do radio, that was Radio Biafra, to broadcast messages, to reach out to his people. It was considered as an unlawful act. So that was the fourth count charge. The fifth count charge was inciting action against security personnel via Radio Biafra, which happened 22 April 2021. And this is an act of what? Terrorism. They consider it as an act of terrorism. That was the fifth count charge against the IPOB leader. The sixth count charge was threatening a serious act of harm. It was threatening a serious act of harm which occurred 16 May 2021. A threat was issued. So a threat was issued by the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, and it was also written as a charge against him. Then the seventh one was issue a sit-at-home threat that disputed the Eastern Nigeria, which occurred 31st May 2021. He issued a sit-at-home which disrupted businesses, homes, the well-being of people in Eastern Nigeria, and they all packed up all these several count charges against him, and it was due to this count charge his judgment was given today. So the judge gave him a life imprisonment judgment. because the charges include offence under Criminal Codes and Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act, some carrying sentence of up to 21 years. So altogether, the judges gave him life imprisonment. What do you think? Was the judge right for this judgment, or were these countered against him right or wrong? What is your take on it?